Our lower back is an area that a lot of people have trouble with where it gets really tight. Again, because we spend a lot of time sitting, driving in a car, sitting in front of a desk, working on a computer. So what we're going to work on right now is a way to loosen up that lower back. So these muscles called your QL, or on the outside of your lower back here, is an area that we're going to target here, in addition to these hamstrings. The wider you place your feet out here, the more stretch you have in the inner hamstrings, and the more stretch in that back. To start off, take your hands behind you, pull your chest super tall, make your spine nice and long like it's reaching, like there's a string pulling you towards the ceiling. Hang out there and breathe and get comfortable there. Once you're comfy, then what you're going to do is you're going to bring those hands up overhead, don't let yourself slouch, be super tall. You're going to take a deep breath in, you're going to rotate your body towards the opposite foot. Then I want you to laterally flex your spine over towards the opposite foot. As you're bending over here, you're reaching towards those toes and slowly breathing. As you exhale each time, getting yourself lower and lower. I don't want to see this knee up. If your knee is coming up and you reach too far, you gotta find a spot where you can keep that thing down and flat. As you get looser and looser, you'll be able to get lower and lower on these. Each time you exhale, you're trying to get a little bit lower. You're gonna come back up, rotate to the other side, bend over to there. The more time you spend each one of those positions, the more stretch you'll get across that side and across the inside of those legs. Again, the key thing here is that the pelvis is tilting forward. The more it tilts forward, the more stretch you get in through here, and the more your lower back will be opened up.